Hello again. Today in this video we're gonna replace the thermal paste of this Dell laptop. This is Dell Inspiron 3531. It's a bit old model. I think it's with Intel Celeron. Actually, I have no idea whether this thing have a fan or not, but the customer wants the laptop to be cleaned, so I decided to make a quick video. Pretty much we're gonna remove all the screws from the back. We're gonna remove the back cover, and after that I'm gonna check whether do we have to leave the keyboard or not, because I don't remember how this laptop should be opened. So let's start. The first thing, of course, we have to take out the battery. Now we're gonna remove all the screws from the back. We have some missing. We have all the screws removed. The screws under the battery and this one are a little bit shorter, keep that in mind. All the rest are pretty much the same size. Now let's remove this. Yeah. Now let's flip the laptop. I think we have to remove the keyboard because probably there will be screws under the keyboard. So we're going to use something sharp. Yeah, we don't have a fan. It's Celeron after all. Why should they put a fan? Anyway, we're gonna open the laptop and check is it with a thermal paste or with a thermal pad. All the screws on this side are the same size. We have a marking next to each hole. No, they're not the same size, they're two sizes. One is 2.5 by 5 and the other one is 2 by 3, so yeah, just follow the marking. Now let's check how this thing should be open. Yeah, I think the palm rest is coming out. We have one more screw here which is sitting right next to the cable. That's out. Let's tighten the hinges a little bit. Now let's remove the Wi-Fi card. I don't see any point of continuing, but if you have this laptop, actually this thing have some sort of a fan but with the missing propellers. That's quite strange. Okay, we have one screw here. Now we have to disconnect the charging cable. We have to disconnect the display cable. And now we can leave the board. That's the weirdest design I have ever seen. Actually, we have some dummy fan without a fan. It's just the skeleton of the fan. Anyway, we're gonna remove that. We have a fan connector. We have pretty much everything except the fan itself. Yeah, it's with a paste at least. We're gonna do some job. Let's clean it. With a dry Q-tip. Next is the aluminum cooler. Let's use some alcohol. Now let's get the paste. Arctic MX4. Now if that was a regular fan, we had to open the clips, clean the propellers and so, but since this is a dummy fan, we won't do this. Now let's move the color a little bit left to right in order for the paste to get even. And we're gonna put the screws back. Now we have a lot of dust here. Give me a few seconds just to brush everything and we're gonna continue. So we have everything cleaned. So let's start assembling. We have to put the cable like this. Let's plug the cable here for the charging. Like this. Let's put the Wi-Fi. We have one screw here on the board. don't forget to plug the speakers. Now let's put the cover. Now the screws. Let's put the short ones first. Let's connect the power button and the touchpad. Now the keyboard, let's clean it a little bit also. I'm gonna clean the laptop on the outside after I finish the assembly. Now I'm gonna click on the sides first, and after that in the middle. Now let's place the fan and let's put the hard drive. And now let's put the rest of the screws. We had one missing, so I'm gonna find a longer screw. One here. Now let's see. Yeah, it fits. Now the battery doesn't work, but let's plug it. Now let's test with the charger, of course. Pressing the power button and the laptop, it is coming on. It's loading the windows. No fan spin because half of the fan is missing, of course. But anyway, pretty much that's the whole procedure. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button if you do. Bye bye for now.